Hi everyone, today I'll be creating this beautiful makeup look by using only L'Oreal Paris makeup products, and this video is dedicated to L'Oreal Paris Fashion Week. So let's get started. First I'll be using this Glycolic Bright Serum that penetrates deep into the skin and reduces dark spots. This glycolic acid serum is dermatologically tested and suitable for all skin types. I will also be using their Glycolic Bright Day Cream with SPF of 17. Glycolic acid is called AHA, which is alpha hydroxy acid. It stimulates cell renewal, reduces dark spots and hyperpigmentation, and also reveals even toned skin. Before moving on to the makeup, you do definitely need a primer. For that, I'm using the L'Oreal Base Magic Primer. To add some glow to the skin, I'll be using this Glow More Amour Liquid Illuminator. First, I'm applying it on all of the highest points of my face, and then with the help of a beauty blender, I'll blend everything in. I'm not gonna use any liquid concealer or foundation today. Instead, I'll be using this newly launched L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear Powder Foundation. First of all, this is full coverage. It covers like a foundation and mattifies like a compact powder. It is very long wearing, and also this is waterproof and sweat proof. I've received two shades of this. The lighter one I used on my T-zone area, and the darker one I used on the rest of my face. Now I'm using a setting spray to deal with the powderiness that I have on my skin. For my brows today, I'll be using the Brow Artist Genius Kit. This is all-in-one palette, and if you have this, you don't need anything else. For my eyeshadow today, I'll be using this Petite Maximalist eyeshadow palette. I love the shades in this, and I'll be taking this particular shade and applying it all over my eyelid. Next, taking this highlighter shade to highlight the inner corners of my eyes. To create the graphic eyeliner today, I'm using the Super Liner Gel Intenza eyeliner. This is very long lasting, smudge proof, versatile. This is so beginner friendly and easy to use. This is super black, and it also comes with a brush that makes it really easy and handy. Once I'm done creating the graphic liner, I'll be taking this beautiful purple shade and I'll be applying it on top of that black eyeliner that I've used. For mascara, I have this very famous Lash Paradise mascara. I've been using it for years. It just gives instant and intense volume to the lashes. To finish off the eyes, I'll be taking the same eyeshadow shade and apply it on my bottom lash line. For my lip and cheek tint, I'll be using this Rouge Signature Liquid Lipsticks. They are supremely pigmented. They have this unique oil in water lightweight formulation, and also it comes with a precise applicator. It looks beautiful on your lips as well as on your cheeks. First, I used the shade I Explore, and now I'm using the shade I Choose just for the little bit of hint of pink. And if you're wondering, I'm applying a little bit of compact powder on top so that my cheek tints doesn't look patchy. So yeah, that's it. That's the completed makeup look. I hope you guys like it and find this video helpful. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye!